Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Just Another Car Show. I'm Ben.
And my name is Sam, and 2 days ago we bought this decommissioned Rotary race car.
And now we're at Willow Springs today, trying to see if this thing will hold together on the racetrack.
Oh, she runs!
I think I would have maybe shit my pants. This is crazy.
Okay, so 2 days ago we bought this RX7 out of the backyard of a guy who's been racing it for years and years and years. The only thing is, this car has not raced for 10 years. This is the first time this car has been to the track in 10 years. So, yesterday we took and did a bunch of stuff on the car. We put tires on it. We made it run for the first time in a long time. We put a new seat in it. We did fire extinguishers. We cleaned all the crap out of it. We did the master cylinder on the car because there was no brakes. When we got the car, there was nothing. So me and Ben did a new master cylinder on it. I think it's ready to race, but it's gonna. We're gonna find out. It's time to unload this thing and take it for a couple practice laps, and we'll see what happens. It does. I brought all the stickers I had left.
Look at that. I need it. Oh, it's sticky up. Yeah, helmet first. Lock your door up.
Oh my god, holy shit. How insane does it sound?
Not as bad as you think.
Did you hear it split in flames?
No, yeah, I mean it kicks. How do you feel?
Oh my god, dude, it is way scarier than I thought it was gonna be.
Okay,
That's exciting. Completely honest with you.
That's
exciting to hear. It didn't really start running right until I warmed it up.
Okay.
God damn. I think it's your turn.
Dude, I feel like it's like your biggest high school football game. Like you're about to shit your pants, but you're super excited.
Yeah. Also, everything hurts.
Yeah. All right, you got driver number 2 getting ready. For, you know.
I would just say, you gotta be careful. It is like.
Careful in what way? You're just saying be careful. You're not saying the tires are slippery, the brakes are sticky. What are you saying?
Nothing's bad.
Nothing's bad. Well, I'm driving it like a grandma. This is fucking crazy. Okay.
Oh, is he turning around? Oh, he is.
Your water temp's up at 2.
2? That's fine.
Okay.
What did you do? Is that the only reason he came back?
He said, we just threw the checkered.
Oh,
and I said, oh, you want me in? And he said, yeah.
Yeah, what time is it back out?
I didn't say. I could barely hear him, I ain't gonna lie.
Okay, so basically this is the deal. We found out that basically there's like 30-minute track limits here and there, so we had to come back in. That's why I told Ben to turn around. What we're gonna do is Ben's gonna run out, go to his practice laps. On his 3rd run around, he's gonna start his timed lap. Our goal is to basically, you think you're gonna get like what, 210?
Yeah.
I think I'm gonna get like, I'm gonna say 155.
Him and my shit.
We're basically gonna try for lap times. We're gonna see what it is. Tony's gonna help us time, and we're gonna do this. And see who goes fast lap.
Boys, it's gonna be crazy. We're gonna see who's the faster driver in our 2-day-old car. All right, baby, take it back, take it back.
put this man, like, okay, to give you guys a little bit of like thing on this. Ben's been building Miata. He's been going the race. I mean, he's raced a little bit, but not a hell of a lot. And I convinced him to buy this car for some reason. He somehow agreed with me. And now he's racing it around. And I don't know if he thought it was going to be like this. I was thinking that was a slow lap. That was a 226.
Okay.
It's going to be fine. Come on, dude. Give it some gas. Don't let this S2K catch up to you. He's coming in. Yeah, he would have gotten less than more than 226 anyway. How was that?
How you feeling, brother?
That was really honestly good.
Hell yeah, man.
The car held up a lot better than I think. Once I got out there, thank God we bought new tires. In the third lap, I actually started thinking about my racing line, but I think the third lap I thought about it too much. There's definitely a point I missed a gear at one point. Down the back end, and I was like, all right.
Oh shit.
All right, here he comes. He's coming down the last turn. Right now he's at 135. He's moving a lot faster than I am, I think. Let's see what he gets.
Okay,
157.35. Man, I feel like Sam's gonna beat me. I'm just like watching him go around the track. I've really only driven around a track a few times in my life. I don't think Sam ever has. Tires and brakes and downshifting. It's like the sims definitely do help. If we did not have the sims, I think I would have maybe shit my pants.
It'd be a whole different story.
So his first lap was 157.35. His second lap was 158.14. I think he's coming in after this one, and if I can swap in one more time before I leave, that'd be awesome.
We get it. You drive a Rotary. You got 10 minutes.
I'll let you. Let's do it.
Okay, I'll run 10 more minutes, then we'll grab it.
You got this, Ben.
Yes, sir.
Holy dude. This thing is way too much fun.
Y'all are both crazy. You got a race car 2 days ago. Now we're at Willow, just cutting on some time attacks.
Should have let you go. It might stop you. He's good.
How was that?
Way too much fun. Way too much fun. Follow him through. You got it. One thing Ben's doing, which is really, really bad in racing, is he's downshifting mid-corner. If this car had more horsepower, he'd be on his, like, in the dirt. I could drive that car for 4 more hours.
Right, dude?
I straight up could. Way too much fun. Dude, the car isn't overheating. It's running amazing. He is doing better this time. 214.
214.
214. He's not gonna get another one out of that. They're gonna have him come in pits. That guy's moving. He's up there at 40 seconds. A little baby Miata. I don't see Ben. Where the fuck's Ben? Oh, he's. Oh, wait. Something must have happened. Yeah, he's way behind. Something must have happened. going very slow.
Something definitely must have happened.
I downshifted.
You break the diff?
I might have.
Wow.
You can smell it, right?
You broke the diff. You downshifted mid-corner, didn't you?
Yeah.
Yep, you broke the diff.
Oh
Busted
shit.
it.
Oh man.
Oh, wait. No, you flat. The tire went flat. You have a flat tire, dude. Flat tire. You broke a diff.
Bro, what happened? What does it look like over there?
By turn 1, we were like, oh shit, something.
It was turn 1.
You're neutral.
Yeah.
You okay?
I wonder what. Or maybe it was like a deep eating. Maybe he had a bump.
No, he went around a corner and downshifted and snapped.
Too low.
He snapped the rear diff.
Oh, fuck you. Sam, sit down here. Yeah. Have a seat.
First of all, do you want to know your lap time was?
What's my the
best
last
one was your one before the last.
The one before the one that I fucked up?
Yeah. You fucked up.
What was my best time?
1:14.6.
1:14.
No, 2:14.6.
2:14. I said 2:10.
Okay.
What was your best time?
I don't know. You didn't tell me yet.
1:38.
No, it was like 157.
Oh, it was 1:57 and 1:58.
Okay, so I did do sub 2 minutes.
Sub 2 minutes.
Oh man, well, I was watching you drive and I felt like you were moving faster. This has truly just been 3 days of insanity.
Now you gotta fix
really
the
has.
car.
Now we have to fix the car. Well, thanks so much for watching, guys. We have a Rotary shirt. If you link below for RX7 boys, we got that. Please like, please subscribe. This was absolutely insane. We'll see you guys on the next one.
We'll be back. Okay, let's get this thing on the trailer.